Hello, this is Michelle from Mr. and Mrs. Walker's Designs, and I'm just coming to you today with just a short video of a haul. So let's get started. Okay, so where I live, we have a store called A to Z Variety, and it is a discount store. And basically it's just like seconds, and it is huge. It takes up two sides of the highway. It has gift shop, hardware, clothes, sporting goods, furniture. It has everything. And so I went last weekend, and I had not been in the gift shop part for a while, so I thought I could, see what they have. I forgot they had fabric, and they had more crafting type supplies than I remembered. So let me show you what I got. These right here are from Plaid Folk Art. They are called Easy to Paint Rub-On Patterns. And I am not a painter by no means. I don't claim to be a painter or an artist of any kind. But I just thought these would be kind of cool. If nothing else, I might just include them, cut them out, include them in some type of project journal or whatever, and not even worry about rubbing them on. I don't know. I just thought they were cool. This one is butterflies and bees and flowers and dragonflies, and so it was only 80 cents. So that's one reason I like going there, because a lot of stuff is like, stuff like this is like $1 or less. So, and then I got this one as well. This one was only 60 cents for some reason. And this is just different types of flowers. Okay, and leaves and stuff like that. And then I got this one. And this one is create your own design transfer paper. So this one supposedly you can trace onto it and then it becomes a rub-on. I don't know. We'll see. It was only 80 cents, so what the heck. So I got those three things like that. I got this foam stamp. Thought this was kind of cool, and it was only $1, so give it a try and see what happens with that. And then they had these bookmarks. Okay. They are, you can definitely tell they are outdated. They're Blue Mountain Arts. I remember seeing these when I was a kid in like gift stores, gift shops. And I mean, they have some cute sayings on them or whatever, but they are really nice and thick, because they're like cardstock that's been wrapped around 3 times. So I thought they would just make a great base for some bookmarks, to collage on or just gesso over. So I got 20 of these. I believe, no, I only got 10. I got 10 because they were 10 for $1. So we'll see what I can do with those. And yeah, those were 10 for $1. And then I got this little stencil. It has butterflies. And then it has a blank one. You got your own. Caterpillar, butterfly, big bee, ladybug. So I like to use these, especially if they're pretty thin, which these seem to be. I like to use these to put down on my paper when I coffee stain, and these were only 60 cents. I got these leaves. They're like clear. Let me just open this quick. Okay, so these were like in the, they usually are in a wedding section to put like in corsages or boutonnieres or whatever. But they're really pretty. They got a silver edge, and they're opaque. They're pink, and so I thought these would look really pretty in some junk journals or some type of project like that. They were 60 cents. And there are 5 there. Again, in their little wedding section, they had these tulle circles in a variety of colors, and they were $2. Go figure. I don't know, just because they're Wilton, I'm not sure. But I thought that was already cut out, and there's 25 of them. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I won't have to worry about cutting them out. And then they had these. These were really cute. This is also in the wedding section. Favor bags for 80 cents, and there's 24 in here, and they're wood grain. So I thought those were really cute. They're nice. Make really neat pockets in a journal. Or two, they're pretty thin, so you could probably collage with them. So 24 for 80 cents. And then I bought this. It says it's tissue wrap. Now I know a lot of times that it says it's tissue wrap and it's got this lace pattern on it, that it's actually plastic. But let's see. Actually haven't opened it yet. Oh, no, I think it's actually tissue. It is, and I love this. Okay, so this will be great for collage backgrounds or pockets, maybe. I don't know. That's just really pretty. I think this was the only package they had, or I would have gotten more of this. I might go back and see. And it was only 50 cents. And then they have a huge floral department. I wouldn't say their prices are necessarily the best on their florals, but they have a lot of mesh and ribbons that you use with wreaths or floral arrangements. And so I saw this on a big roll, and I was like, well, that's kind of cool. It's like a really loose burlap, and it's got this pretty fuzzy white trim running through it. And I looked around and I was like, I don't want to buy a whole roll. And then I saw this little bit sitting there on top of all the big rolls, and I was like, I wonder if they'll sell that to me. So I snatched it up and I left it in my cart while I was shopping, and then there happened to be someone in the floral department making things, and I asked her, I said, can I buy this? Will you sell it to me in just a remnant like this? She said, sure. She said, is that enough? And I said, yeah, that's plenty. And so she got her little sticker gun out and put 80 cents on it. So I got this. I hadn't measured it yet, so I have no idea. Let's see. It is, it's about a yard actually. So this will be plenty. I thought it would be really cool in a junk journal. Maybe as a tuck spot, or just, on the cover or something. So anyway, it looks really good with this paper, actually. It's on my desk. So that was 80 cents. And then last but not least, because I know these are I mean, they're not really expensive. I know a lot of people have found these clear flat bags at Tuesday morning. I've never seen them in our Tuesday morning. We don't have the best Tuesday mornings around here. So I snatched 2 of these up because for 32 bags, they were only 90 cents each package, and they're the 6 3/4 by 9 3/4. So it was like, yeah, for 90 cents, I'm getting 2 of these. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to use them for yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to venture into selling things yet. So we'll see about that. I might use them for storage. I don't know. But anyway, I just thought I better get these while I can. So those are your clear flat bags that have the sticky flaps. And so that is my A to Z haul. If I find any more goodies at A to Z, then I will might start doing those haul videos for you. And so if you're familiar with the store, then you know where I am. And then maybe you've never really looked at this type of thing in A to Z, because a lot of people go in there looking for home decor or rugs or hardware, that type of thing. So tools. So now maybe you can find some inspiration from these things from there. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And as usual, I will put some photographs at the end of that Mr. Walker and I have taken. And I hope you have a good day, and see you later, and God bless.